Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Phantom crypto wallet step by step. First, you will need to download the Phantom browser extension, available for several popular browsers. Once installed, open the extension and choose to create a new wallet. You will be given a unique 24-word secret recovery phrase. Write this down and store it safely offline. Finally, set a strong password to protect your wallet access. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds into it. To receive cryptocurrency, click the Receive button in your Phantom wallet to find your unique public address. You can then copy this address and paste it into the sending field on a centralized exchange, like Coinbase or another crypto wallet. Remember to always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. Sending and swapping tokens with Phantom is straightforward. To send, click the Send button, input the recipient's address, and the amount you wish to transfer. For swapping, use the integrated swap function to easily exchange one token like Solana for another, such as USD. Always pay close attention to the transaction details, including the small network fees, before you finalize any send or swap operation to ensure accuracy. Connecting your Phantom wallet to decentralized applications, or dApps, is simple. When visiting a dApp, look for a Connect Wallet button and select Phantom. Always carefully review the permissions the dApp requests before approving the connection. Most importantly, your 24-word secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, and keep it stored securely offline to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.